Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the topic Polar region of 8th class for the date 24th June 2020. Coming to the first question children, trace the group life of Eskimos. We all know that Eskimos, the people who are all surviving or who are all living in the polar regions are named as Eskimos. Earlier we discussed about different communities, different groups have been taken part in Eskimo groups. Now the question is about trace the group life of Eskimos. So how, the first point, how the people in polar region, especially the Eskimos, are leading about. They are leading nomadic life. They are leading nomadic life. Here children. And the second one is about they are sharing all their feelings, inner feelings, their joys, sorrow, etc. Like they celebrating the festivals in a common community manner, where nowadays we can't find such type of the unity. The third one is about, major thing is about unity. There is a lots of unity in the people who are all living in Eskimos. Even they are always welcome about the outsiders. Clear children? But nowadays if we find such type of the things in another society, so-called civilized society, we won't find such type of the unity. So these are all the major things. That is the reason always we are supposed to praise. Here praise in the sense accept, or we have to make them proud. Clear? Feeling proud. The life of Eskimos. Clear children? We are moving to the next question. Coming to the second question. Explain the religious beliefs of Eskimos. I repeat the question children. Explain the religious beliefs of Eskimos. What is the meaning of belief? Belief in the sense like the people are strongly believe on one thing. For example I am taking here. Clear? I am taking only an example children. I am not criticizing any other community. Some people may believe that if I am going to do so and so thing for the God, if I am going to offer to God, the God is going to give a return gift to me. So such type of the things are named as belief. And coming to the religious, here religious in the sense like communities. Clear children? So the question is about explain the religious beliefs of Eskimos. As we people believe in some of the things, especially the Eskimos believe that there are supernatural powers. Supernatural powers. Even though they believe that the people who are died, again they are going to rebirth. Rebirth is going to be taken after death. They believe in a God of who can protect about health, wealth, Sila, and another one is about spirits. They are totally believe in Sila and spirits. Clear children? Sila and spirits. And the next one is about each groups have certain rituals feeling. The ritual feelings are taken part. And the last one is about they worship the god of named as Sedna or Sedna, where the god or goddesses is going to protect the life of the Eskimos and the forest and the health, who is going to provide about the food and each and everything. So these are the major religious beliefs. The first one is about supernatural powers. Second one is about rebirth. After the death of the person, again the person is going to be rebirth. and the major one is about Ceylon spirits. Ceylon spirits, health, wealth, Ceylon spirits, and the god who they believe strongly is about Ceylon. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question. Coming to the third question, children. Here the third question is about mention some popular recreational activities of Eskimos. What is the meaning of recreation? Again, reusable, which can be made about the reusable. Coming to the answers, contact, compulsory. Eskimos have been gone through starting the relation between the insiders and the outsiders. As we discussed in the earlier, who are all the insiders here? The Eskimos are the insiders. And the outsiders are about the people who are all visiting about the location nearby the polar region are said to be like outsiders. Here, what are all the changes have been taken? They have been gone through. As the outsiders are coming to the locality, they have been made about the roadways, railways, and well furnished or well equipped ships for transportation. That is major thing. The first one is about the roadways, second one is about the railways, and the third one is about ships. And next one is about they strongly believe about the ways of outsiders how brought changes in education. What happens? For example, now I am speaking about English language, but my mother tongue is about Telugu. When I am going to interact with the people, when I came to know that in the future I am supposed to learn about so and so language to survive. So that is the important thing here. Education is required. Learning about a new thing comes under education. Learning about a new thing which we don't know comes under education. And the health and also the wealth. So these are all the recreational activities have been done by Eskimos. As the outsiders are entering to the locality, the roadways, railways, ships, and education, health, and wealth. These are all the things have been improved in the locality of the polar region. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the fourth question. How do people of Kandra get light in winter? Before going to the question, children, I have an example for you. In many of our houses, for the ceiling in our bedroom, we people are going to place some stickers, some radium stickers like stars, universe, moon, etc. At the night time, when we are sleeping, we can see that those stickers are brightening. What is the reason? Yeah, the reason is about the stickers are observing about the light which has been emitted from the house. Like we can take it about a tube light here. Clear, children? Right, very good. Did you got the point? Yeah, now why? Question is about how do people of Kandra get light in winter? As we all know that in winter season for 6 months completely it is darkness. Then how they will get about the light? So they are going to get the light from the stars. As we all know that those stars are attracting the light from the sun. We people blindly believe that on the daytime there will be no stars. Stars will be there because of the sun brightness. We are not able to see the stars. So from that light, stars are observing the light, and the night time it is going to be give some light in winter season in Eskimos. Clear, children? Where we have different types of like different types of colors. The lightness which have been emitted by from the stars are going to be named as aurora borealis. What is this in the sense? The light which is going to be given in different colors like green, light green. We can see the images. Some of the people are placing in our nets. Is a clear, children? So for 6 months, the stars or from the stars, the people in the Eskimos are getting about sun light, not like a sun, a little bit light up to a particular level. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the next question, children. In what ways are the resources available in their surroundings used for making houses? Or simply we can, how the houses are made up of in polar region. Yeah, children, nowadays we people are living because of the COVID-19, we are staying in the house. If you observe completely our room, our locality, the walls have been totally made up of the bricks. The ceiling has been made up of concrete, and the flooring has been made up of some basement for each and everything. In some areas, especially if we go through about the tribal areas and rural areas, we can find the houses of different kinds made up of wood, bamboo sticks. Clear, children? So here the question is about how the houses are made up of or made in polar regions. Completely, as they don't have any type of the resources like us, like bricks, like concrete and each and everything, they are making about the houses by animal skins. Animal skin, especially seal, and the bones. They are making a pattern of the house by animals. Clear, bones, and it is totally covered with the skin of an animal, especially by the sea. And the second type of house is about igloos. They completely the house is made up of ice blocks, a huge ice blocks. By using about such type of the blocks, the people are making the shelter or are developing about their houses in the polar regions. We also know about the images we have been gone through seeing in this pattern. There is a narrow entry and inside they have a space. Is it clear? So igloos. These are all the methods or these are all the houses where the people in the polar region are going to be made. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.